Now that we are in the workspace area, we have objects tree, we have errors tree, and we have certain code in the source. We have that same code as translated in the target. Now, let's see what can we do with the actions button here. Right now, we have 3 things that are enabled and quite a few that are disabled. Let's go through each one of them. By default, we cannot change source or target. We simply are following the standard translation here. If we want, we can override the target. Let's say we don't like what SQL Tran did here. And maybe we just want to change, for example, the alias here or whatever. So we can just write directly. We see this little pen symbol here, so we know that this specific object has been overwritten manually. Now, we can also revert to original, and now we got rid of our manual changes. It's very powerful actually to override source. So again, we cannot edit the target, but we can say, all right, so we maybe want to get rid of these 2 columns, and you'll see that the target is actually translated in real time. That's one of the perks of our super fast parsing and analysis and translation engine. So we can just do something like this, and it is instantly perfect, right? When you're writing, let's say I introduce certain syntax errors here. We'll tell you that actually this is syntax error here. And I'm going to talk more about our static analysis engine in the future. But for example, just a quick preview here. If I mistype something, let's say job type 1, it's going to say actually there is no job title 1. And if we go over this E alias, it's going to tell us exactly what the columns are in the reference data. So you get help while you are writing. It's not that you're just writing text as in a simple text editor. We really are an IDE here. Okay, I can revert again. I can ignore this object here. So now this object has a strike through over the name, and you lose the object lifecycle status. I can unignore it, and now we have it again. And let's now focus on the items that are actually disabled here. So create object in target staging or target production database. Difference between these 2 databases are that staging is used for testing and production is used for final representation target schema. I'll talk more about this in the future videos. When we have connections to staging database, we can generate single test or even multiple tests at once for a specific object. And we use our static analysis to help you build those tests.